Where are we today? Today, we are in Isla Mirada at the Bayside Marina and Boardwalk, right outside Worldwide Sportsman, and we are checking off one of our bucket list items, setting off on a private charter to Alligator Reef Lighthouse. This has been one of Steven's top list items for Keys Adventures, and we are going with the very best. Reef Quest Eco Tours offers 2, 3, and more custom time tours for 1 to 6 people on their ridiculously comfortable boats with a key emphasis on sustainability and education. They also offer sunset tours and can extend your tour if time permits, which we did because they're just awesome. Seriously, these guys are so much fun.
Oh, yeah, sure have. So I'll give us a little bloodline tour on the way out to the lighthouse then.
Okay.
So make it extra fun.
Beautiful.
Spice it up a little bit.
Yay!
Got a hand for anybody? Watch your step. All right, welcome to the office.
Thank you.
Watch your step. Sweet.
I don't want
Watch your
coconut.
Watch your step. Welcome aboard, buddy. You got it? Big step down. All right.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Yeah.
Up front to bounce around and stuff.
Come
Yeah.
see.
So guys, I just got some safety stuff to go over
Yes.
before we're actually on our way. First things first, if it comes to any emergency exiting and we just gotta hop off the boat, do not be picky. Our exiting points are literally 360 degrees as follow. Just go for it. Pretty much we can actually stand up out there for the most part. At the lighthouse a little deeper, but that's my kind of joke. We can walk back to shore if it comes to it.
That's a boring island.
Where are we today? Today we are in Isla Mirada with Reef Quest Eco Tours, and we are gonna go out to Alligator Reef.
Do a little boat ride in the meantime to get out there. I'm gonna go over some bloodline spots.
All
show you guys some cool things.
Yay.
All kinds of stuff. So for the first 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna drop a lot of information, then we'll kind of pick it up throughout the ocean side.
Perfect. These guys come highly recommended, and we're already so comfortable on the water. I think we're gonna have a great time, and it's a beautiful day.
We're actually gonna head right back here before we do pick things up. This is the Basin Village back here. We do see a lot of manatees potentially, so keep your eyes peeled, look for them. If you see anything that looks like a rock or something leathery kind of poking out of the water a little bit, that is a manatee. So you gotta let me know if you guys see them before I point. So guys, this is Well Harbor Bridge. So it's one way in and one way out. This is it right here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
So right over here, actually, this is another bloodline spot. So it was painted pink in the series, again a little different before Irma. So this is one of our sheriff/FWC stations right there. And right out there, where all those boats are, that's our party spot. That's the Isla Mirada Sandbar. So we can go there afterwards if you guys want. It's a very shallow spot to go swimming. Today's gonna be a chill day, nothing crazy. Very family oriented today. About halfway out there, you guys are going to notice a very dramatic color change. That's because we're actually exiting the Gulf Stream and moving into more fresh Atlantic water. So pay attention to the Gulf color change. It's amazing. So guys, whenever you guys see yellow balls like this, this is all showing that this is all a protected area inside here. So you got one right here, you got another one right over there, you got another one way out there, and a little farther out you got another one. So this is all Chica rocks out here. This is actually another reef, really good snorkeling. It's a beautiful area. All the white balls are all mooring balls that you're supposed to tie up to.
Awful.
I want to go fast.
Oh yeah,
Go
let's
fast? We're gonna go fast. Just halfway there, so you're gonna start to notice that dramatic color change.
And we made it. This is Alligator Reef. It is one of the most picturesque places in the Keys. This is absolutely stunning. I mean, look at this. Captain T gave us the information behind this amazing place. Alligator Reef isn't named for alligators. There are no alligators. This is 4 miles offshore. It's named for the USS Alligator. It was escorting a convoy of merchant ships when it ran aground on this shallow reef. Yeah.
So guys, I'm gonna drop anchor and we'll open the pool up. And I got noodles, I got some stuff I can tie up to the boat so the kids don't float away.
Yay.
But yeah, it'll be really good.
This is such a special place. The tour provided all of the pool noodles and floaties that we could ask for and set us off to enjoy this beautiful water. It is truly stunning here. I can't get over how beautiful the water is. And the kids had a blast. Steven, of course, had to go with snorkeling. This is one of the top snorkel spots in the Keys. It is so beautiful. You just see thousands and thousands of fish, and there is so much to do over here, including climbing the lighthouse and jumping off. I didn't do that, but you know, Steven, what are you gonna do? My adventurous husband has never been one to miss the chance to take the plunge. Good job, honey. This was seriously such a cool experience for the kids. They got to play in the world's largest pool. I mean, the water is so clear. It was just gorgeous out. We have no complaints. I think this is definitely the way to visit the lighthouse. We had looked at doing other things, taking jet skis or even renting a boat ourselves, but we're gonna go with these guys from now on because they took all the planning, all the care, and all we had to do was relax. And that's really what we want to do on a vacation. As much as we wanted to stay there all day, there was more stuff to see. So we made it out to the sandbar for a little bit, and then Captain T had a surprise for us. This was something we did not know about the Keys, and we've been to the Keys pretty often. There are toilet seats lined along a channel, and they're put up by different families. It's not exactly official, so to speak, but it's not something that anyone really messes with. It's really cool, and one of those experiences you can only have in the Keys. What a way to end a trip. As they say, all good things must come to an end, and oh my goodness, we enjoyed this trip so much. We will be back. Thank you, Captain T, Jill, and the crew. You guys have the best charter business in the Keys. That's our vote. I hope you too will check out ReefQuest Eco Tours for their chartered boat trips. It takes you pretty much wherever you want to go within the time limits and the weather conditions. They know all the greatest spots. The boats are so comfortable, the captains are so knowledgeable and friendly. We had a blast. This is the only way we will go out to the reefs from now on. Wasn't that so much fun? Oh my goodness. Wasn't this the best boat ride ever?
Yeah.
You want to do that again?
Yeah.
Yes. Did you like it when the boat went fast?
Yeah.
Yes.
It was super fun and it was bouncing, and that was my favorite part, was bouncing.
Yeah.
That was your favorite part?
Yeah, when it was bouncing, that was a lot of fun. As always, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments, or if there is somewhere you think we should cover next. Feel free to like, share, and follow on Newsbreak for more Florida Family Insiders fun.